welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So today I'm back with a hair video. As you can see, I've just had my hair dyed. So I've gone for this little fruit salad combination. I've gone with the orange streaks down the front and then the pink at the back. I'm actually really enjoying this colour combo. I'm always messing around with colours, but I've never actually had two colours at once, and I really wanted to try something different. So this is what I ended up with. Basically all I've done today is just braided down the middle of my hair. I've just took a little kind of diamond shaped pattern instead, rather than the basic braid that I do down the middle usually. You all seem to enjoy this hairstyle with the braid down the middle, so I kind of just switched it up a little bit. With this hairstyle you could basically just wear it behind your ears like this, or you could just leave the front parts down like this. You could curl your hair, that would look quite cute. Also I think would look quite cute is a little slicked back ponytail like this way. Yeah, so there's a few different ways that you could wear this style. Also during this video I'm going to zoom in so you can see it a little bit better, but you will see us pulling bits down. I am just holding these tight with my mouth. I know this sounds disgusting, but I find it the easiest way to do braids, just to keep a hold of that third piece and keep each section tight. Yeah, so if you would like to see this hair tutorial, then just keep watching. my final braid look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.